like a Hellcat.
How to add an end screen on our YouTube videos. Video without end screen and a video with end screen. Now let's check our YouTube channel and check the video without an end screen. Click YouTube channel and then click the video without an end screen. Why is an end screen important, by the way? Because it leads our fellow viewers to view another video with just a click away, thus increasing our view counts and watch hours. Another features on an end screen is the subscribe button, wherein it allows our viewers to go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Now, as you can see, this video doesn't have yet an end screen, and we will go through it to put an end screen. Now, let's open Google Chrome and then go to YouTube website. Click the three dots on the upper right corner and then desktop site. Now click your channel icon and then YouTube Studio. Select videos and then select the video that you want to put an end screen. On the right side corner, choose the end screen option. Now pick an end screen element that you'd like to choose. Select the end screen video and then click the choose video. Now choose a video that you'd like our viewers to view next. We can also change the time duration of our end screen from 20 seconds or less. Click